this part here, I can have a few examples. So like, for example, if I've got x cubed and this is x4 minus 1, this is 10 dx. Okay, so now one way is I will to expand everything like this power of 10. I can expand using binomial theorem and integrate each individual term, but it doesn't make sense. So what this method does is you just eyeball whatever is within the power. This will be 6. When you differentiate, this will be 8x cubed. 8x cubed would then cancel the y in front. So this will be like x cubed. This is u10 du. But okay, once you change this to du, it doesn't make sense for you to keep this as dx because you are reducing it to a u, right? So that you can integrate. Okay, you don't keep the dx there. So this part here, you put a du, but in order for you to be mathematically sound, you can't just change dx to du. You need to replace du with something, dx with du something else. Means it's actually the derivative. You just divide by its derivative. Okay, so this derivative here will cancel away, and you can reduce this to a O-level form, which is u10 du. Okay, so this will be u11 over 11, 1 over 8 plus c. So this is 1 over 88 and 2x4 minus 1 to the power 11 plus c. You replace u back with x. Okay, so when you do this, is also similar.